Hey, my favorite Algebra 1 students. I'm just going to do like a 2-minute video to show you how to complete these problems using the same function notation we've been working on. So if you look at the 5.1 practice set, the beginning you're determining whether or not something is a solution, so there's a nice example up there for you. I'm going to jump down to part 2. So here, they've given you the function f of x equals x plus 2, and we need to find the corresponding function values for the x values given. So for 7, 4, and 0, we need to find the function values. So first, we're going to find f of 7 by doing 7 plus 2, just like we worked on, which would be 9, and there we get the point 7, 9 on our graph. Then we want to find f of 4, which would be 4 plus 2. Well, that gives us 6, so we get the point 4, comma 6. Remember, y and f of x are really the same thing, so we're writing your point as x comma y, but it's the same as x comma f of x, okay? And then finally, f of 0 gives me 0 plus 2, which is 2, so we get the point 0, 2. So I'm going to take these 3 points and plot them on my graph below. So the point 7, 9, so I'm going to where x is 7, and then up 9 spaces. That's my first point there. Then the point 4, 6, so over to 4, up to 6. And then 0, 2 would be right there. Those are my 3 points that I've plotted, but because I'm graphing the function, and that function is an equation, I don't just have these 3 points. That would be called a discrete function. This is a continuous function, so we're going to graph these 3 points by connecting them. And that's actually the graph of my function, and I'm putting arrows on both ends because that graph keeps going in both directions. I'll give you a hint. We're going to start talking about linear functions, so all of these graphs should be linear. So if you end up with something that doesn't look like a line, then go back and check your math, okay? So I would like you guys to try before Friday's class just the highlighted problems. So 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 13, 14, 15, okay? So give those a try before Friday's class.